Hello guys and everyone that watching my video. My name is Nezunita and for today is a very special day. I'm gonna show you how to draw human like this style. I'm an artist too, so I want to share you all the easy way to draw humans. Some people ask me, what is the art? This is for technical people. Art is the way of human activity, and for those that are that type, creative or imaginative talent to express emotion, cultural idea, or technical skill instead to evoke thoughtful or artistic experience. Also, I'm an artist too, so today I'm going to show you how to draw a human. I'm not good at all, but I will show you in easy way. Step 1. First, we start drawing a circle and then add a line in the middle. If while drawing those two, I can make the drawing process way easier. Step 2. Then a second draw the face shape and then the clean change should contact to the line. Then we just draw on the middle of the circle. Thirdly, it is time to draw the first of the we need to draw the circle for the eye shape, or we can try drawing all the shape or other than circle, cause every eye almost has a different eye shape, and then after we can start to draw the eye now like this and this. Yes. Now after we finish with the eye, now let's begin drawing the nose. Just draw the line and not too long, just a little line, then the eye. After that we are going to draw the shadow so the nose can have a more dimension to it, and then we start drawing the mouth. For the mouth, let's start with the land and do not draw it too far away from the nose, just a little higher, then the nose is good, but also the land shouldn't be too long as it. So you can make it in the mouth look, and then just add two more small lines on the top and another the bottom of the mouth, but don't make them as long as the land in the middle, and also do not let those two lines contest to the 10 middle land. Then after start to add in the some of the shadow by drawing it in the lamp. After that, it is time to draw the hair. Hair is the easy way to draw for me. So first after we start drawing the shape of the hair on the head of our drawing, and you can pick if you want the drawing to have a big head or small. For hair is your decision, and then we started adding some shadow, and finally we're going to draw the neck. So after we have the face, we are going to draw the two lines under the face, and it depends if you want the neck to be big or small. And then after we draw the line, we are going to drawing two more lines. Let's we just draw, but try to make it a little smaller. Then we just draw on the outsides because those are going to be winners. Alright guys, and now we finally finished with the drawing everything. Thank you everyone for enjoying.